So nobody's going to believe this. Let's see if am I recording here? Yeah, it looks like. All right, so what you do is you go to the rafter, the apex, what do you call that? The ridge vent, and you find all the rafters. I think you'll be happy because this thing's really well made. Some houses are made better than others. Okay. Do I need to tell you anything or you got it?
We got it.
Okay. Only thing I got is that exposed wood over there. And I think there's a dead bird in that chimney, so if you smell something, there's a dead bird. He got in there and couldn't get out. Oh, this is exciting. You must be real busy. Is it the weather holding you up, or is it just...
Yes, weather and some materials.
Oh, okay. Well, it doesn't seem like April 7th. Okay, guys, just let me know. I'll open this back door. Okay, they've been here a few minutes and they're just starting. I can hear rumbling like crazy up there. All right, this is going to be exciting. I can't wait to drive out there and see what it looks like. I'm getting ready to cover up this old moldy roof here. This will be a nice video to have if I ever sell the old place here, which is possibly they're always cutting the freaking grass around this place. So there they are. See where I got that piece? That actually just blew off. I guess they're gonna strip something. Yeah, that piece of wood's starting to look a little peaked. It's been exposed for about, I don't know, a month or so. That's where the birds were getting in at the very apex. You can see all the orange Cheeto looking stuff, the great stuff, where I was trying to get the birds to stay out of the attic. Always a good thing. Oh, they're marking the rafters. They've torn the upper thing off. That's good. The upper ridge vent thing. I think that probably was rotten anyway. This house is about, what, 17 years old now? 15? 17? Roof was okay, I think, but it's just moldy and the soffit, the fascia stuff was blowing off. Cool. Okay, so there's the strips. Smile! Cool, man. These guys are good. It'd have taken me 2 or 3 days to do this much work. Look at all that stuff they got going on. It looks good. Oops. There's some of that old mess there. Uh-oh, we don't want that going across my air conditioning unit there. I wonder what this was. All right, no sweat. Got the battery chargers going on. Got a microwave. Got to watch your step because of the nails. Hey, I need to start my clock, don't I? Well, there are the strips getting ready to go up. And I'm watching Big Clive. Screwy computer thing. And there's some of the metal out there. So try to stay out of their way, and they're throwing stuff off the roof. So that's not a good thing going out there unannounced right this minute. Let's just see what it looks like when it's done. You can see their shadows out there. Okay, the pieces are going up. They're laying them out. God, what hard work that is. I really admire these guys. I hear the screw gun. I can't wait to see what it looks like. Okay, the proceedings is going up on the roof there. All right, let's go take a look, see how it's stacking up. Okay, well they're working on the other side, but here's the way to do it right there. I'm not gonna bother. I'm gonna wait till they get around this side. I snuck down to the barn to. They're singing my song there. Look at that. That is just beautiful. I am so happy. There you go. So working on this side now. Oh yeah. Those just can't make it very long without some reference to the human digestion.
Nothing like a little.
I had to weeble wobble again. The weeble wobble.
I didn't know you was filming it. Okay.
What do you think the camera
right,
is? Camera, see?
Yeah, I got you. Well, I didn't know you had it on. You walk around with that thing. I don't know if it's
I
on
know
or
it's
off,
because
you know
I try
what
to
I mean?
help people.
Yeah.
A lot of people write me and thank me for all the things I do. So
All right. Well, I'll
can't
just
blame
have
them.
to.
See how good they're doing that drip edge there? I think that's really the way they're back doing it and
Yeah.
everything really nice.
Yeah.
And you know, you got 6 or 8 guys out here. He got here at 8 this morning.
Yeah, they'll be done today.
Yeah, he'll get this done today. Yeah. So hopefully we'll get everything in order. All right.
That's
a fine job, Pedro. Beautiful.
Looks nice. Isn't it?
Yeah. You didn't straighten up my chimney.
Oh yeah.
I'll straighten it up later. Yeah, you're packed up. Forget about it. No, I don't want you unpacking for that. I'll do it later. It's no sweat. Honestly. Oh, did you get that wood covered up?
Yeah.
Let's take a look around. We're gonna walk around.
Bad day for your lawnmower.
Where'd all that come from?
The edge of the field where you mow.
I'll be dogged.
You know, toss that and scratch it.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Beautiful. Okay, well, that'll finish this project up. I didn't know what they were going to do with the eaves troughs, but looks like they're going to stay there. Okay, let's go inside. It's the next morning, and I just thought we'd take a little walk around here. Oh, I haven't said much this morning, have I? It's always like that in the morning. All right, I did a drive-by, but apparently that footage didn't take. This will be just fine. There's soybeans up close and personal there. All right. There she is. I just think it's just fabulous. Let's go around this way. Can't cut grass today, it's Sunday. I'll do it tomorrow. I gotta fix that stovepipe. I asked him several times and he said he would do it, but he's already packed up like you saw, and I just didn't feel like watching him do all that again. So there's the side stuff that's just really fine. That's an FM antenna if you were wondering. Yeah, I left that loose for him, so I'll be able to tighten that up. What have I got there? Some quarter head self-tappers. They were right there at it. Dadgum 'em. I'm okay with the eaves trough staying. I like watching the rain come down the chains. All right, got a new boot around the vent. So the sun goes down over that way, so I'll be able to do this in the afternoon. I've used my spa a couple of times. It's kind of nice. Come out here in the evening and take a bath. Kind of a semi-outside screened-in porch bath experience. I do like it. Kind of forces me to relax. let's go, let's walk down the road a little bit. Now, the one thing that I'm real happy about, and I told Shauna I noticed it when we were on the road, my weed killer's working good, is I'm happy about the gray and the metal. It's kind of hard to tell from that angle, but that's okay. You get the gray siding. Now that lump of gray you see down at like 4 o'clock is where a water heater was, and it, I don't want to go stand out in the fresh, so we'll just look at it from the back, front, same thing. Sean promises he's going to come get this scrap metal, and he's got a guy that's going to come take hay. So, yeah, with the gray, well, I can't remember the name of that siding, gemstone siding, and the roof, I just think that's just fine. I picked the gemstone sort of in anticipation of a metal roof in the future. And the other thing I'll say too was that the one thing that I was afraid of doing this myself was having to shorten pieces a little bit for that upper tier, the 2 upper pieces, when they came down to here. And that is exactly right. They had to cut about 6 inches off each piece, the stock pieces, to make that little fold right there, that little divot. And that's what was worrying me, because I would have been at that for a long time. So I got my lights on. Let me turn them off. So let's get some water in the fountain, and before the birds get mad at me. And just there you go. That's what she looks like. I'm very happy about that, and it was a good deal too, I felt like. All right, see you next time. Give me a thumbs up, and be sure and like and subscribe. Talk to you later.